Hey guys, welcome to Arthaa channel. I have just started a new series where we are going to do some math. Today we're going to do some geometry that is taught to students who are in the 10th grade. So we'll calculate the area of different shapes. We'll start with the square, followed by the rectangle, the triangle, the parallelogram, the trapeze, and we'll finish with the diamond. So let's start with the square. Let's say that one side is called x. So all the sides basically will also be x because all the sides are same. So the formula for the area of the square is just x times x. It's the area of the square. So basically here we know that one side is 2. So the area here would just be 2 times 2, which is 4. So next we have the rectangle. So let's call the base b and the height, let's call it h. So to calculate the area, it would just be base times the height. So here the base is 4, so 4, and the height is 2, so 4 times 2, which is basically 8. So the area of the rectangle is base times height, and in this case it would be 8. Now we have the triangle. So let's call this whole thing the base, and this whole thing the height. So here the formula to calculate the area of the triangle is the base times the height divided by 2. So here the base is 3, so 3, the height is 2, so times 2, divided by 2. So basically the area is 3. Next we have the parallelogram. So this whole thing is the base, and this from here to here it's the height. So the area is just a base times height, exactly like the rectangle. So we have 5 as the base and 3 as the height, so the answer would just be 15. The area is just base times height, similar to the rectangle. So now we have the trapeze. So the trapeze, there is many parts. So this one is basically the small base, so let's call it just small. So b and small, and this one is the big base, so big B, and then this one is the height, so h. So for the formula of the trapeze is just big base plus small base times the height divided by 2. So here the big base is 5, the small base is 3, the height is 4, and we divide all of that by 2. So we have 8 times 4, which is 32, and the answer is 16. So the area is 16, and the formula is big base plus small base times the height divided by 2. So last we have the diamond. In this we have the big diagonal, and we also have this small diagonal. So for the area is just big diagonal times small diagonal divided by 2. So the big diagonal here, it's basically this, which is 4. The small diagonal, which is this, is 2, and we divide it by 2. So the area is 4. So of course, something to note is that you will most probably have a unit of measure. So let's just put u here, and it would be u squared because we're calculating the area. So u squared, u squared, u squared, one more, and another. So it can be meter square, centimeter square, whatever it is. In this case, we just put a u here. And one pro tip to memorize all these formulas is to basically have it written on another sheet that you would basically just put all the formulas, so it's easier to remember. So for now, let's leave it here. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.